Okay, if you've been following along at home, got my tool, got that little snap ring off. Thanks to nephew Jason Ewing, got this mug back on the bead. It's holding air. Got my car on. Trying to get the lighting situation looking good. Uncle Nick told me that they don't call it a snap ring for nothing, so I got my safety glasses on. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, that was some easy surgery. Unfortunately, my automatic headlights thought that I didn't need to have the bright lights on. We're not going anywhere, man. We're in park. Chill out. Keep the brights on, Jarvis. We want to see what's up. I got that snap ring on there, bro. I did have to switch my tool over to the other option, so I squeezed and it put it back together. So the natural method for it was to be apart. These are some pretty awesome snap ring pliers. Thanks a lot, Ford. My Tesla will leave its bright lights on all day if I told it to. Can't wait to get my Cybertruck. Bye!